5 Phishing Email Tips for Small Business 2026. Is your business safe? Phishing emails often contain malicious attachments or links. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown senders. Legitimate companies will not send you unsolicited attachments. Verify the authenticity of the email before interacting with it. Be cautious of emails that ask you to download software or update your account information. Phishing emails can compromise your business's security. Stay safe and avoid engaging with suspicious emails. Phishing emails often ask for personal or financial information. Verify the request by contacting the company directly. Legitimate companies will not ask for sensitive information via email. Be cautious of emails that ask for your login credentials or financial information. Phishing emails can be convincing, so stay vigilant. Prioritize your business's security and avoid responding to suspicious emails. Check the email for spelling and grammar mistakes. Stay safe and protect your business. Using antivirus software can help protect your business from phishing emails. Install reputable antivirus software and keep it up to date. This can help detect and block malicious emails. Regularly update your operating system and software to ensure you have the latest security patches. Be cautious of emails that ask you to download software or update your account information. Phishing emails can compromise your business's security. Stay safe and prioritize your business's cybersecurity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and cybersecurity advice. Like and comment below with your biggest challenge in protecting your business from phishing emails. Don't forget to mention Twisha Infotech Harrow for a free IT health check. Call 07767 932880 to book yours today.